Hi everyone, welcome you all. So this is Pavan. In this video, I'm going to explain about exploratory testing. So what is exploratory testing? When we need to conduct exploratory testing? So normally exploratory testing is we don't have any documentation we have certain kind of experience, previous experience, and we know we already worked on some projects. So based on that particular knowledge, we can just explore the functionality of application without help of any documentation. Okay, and that's the that comes under the exploratory kind of testing. So exploratory testing is all about discovery and investigation and learning. Suppose if you join a new company, there is some application or product is going on, and first you need to just explore this product. What is this product? How it is working? What are the different features we have, right? So all these things we should aware of first of all. So while learning this project and while discovering this functionality, investigating it, you will explore your skills on that particular project. And also how we will explore your skill by testing it. Suppose you find something, some functionality, you are giving some inputs and observing the output. Okay, then you will know how we can use this. So that's a kind of testing called as a exploratory testing. So without having any knowledge on the application, without having any documentation, you will just explore the functionality of your application. You will just learn the application or you investigate your application. So that's a kind of that's called as exploratory testing. So basically, it is emphasis on personal freedom and responsibility of the individual tester. So here, no one will ask you to do exploratory kind of testing and all. So if you have really interested, if you want to learn this application, then you can do a kind of exploration on that. So this is completely responsibility of individual tester. And test cases are not created in advance, but testers check the system on the fly. But when you perform exploratory testing, we don't have any input documents here. So there is no documentation at all. Only based upon your previous skills and previous experience, you can just exploring your application and then learn it, investigate and discover some functionality and test it. So that's how the exploratory testing works. It mainly focuses on exploratory testing is more on testing as a thinking activity. You have to think how it is working, how this is working, how that is working, and all these things. So basically, exploratory testing is just like exploring our knowledge or skills or learn based on the application. You don't have any kind of documentation here. But when we need to perform this testing, whenever you don't have any documentation, still if you have some time, and if you are new to that particular product, if you are new to application, then you can conduct the exploratory testing. While exploring your application, you will learn this particular product. So exploratory testing can be used extensively when the testing team has experienced testers. Suppose the team is having some experienced testers, they don't need any documentation. You can test them whenever they are free. And early iteration is required. So sometimes we need to deliver or complete our testing cycle as soon as possible. We have only very little duration to complete, and that time we can perform exploratory testing. And there is a critical application. Sometimes application is very critical, documentation is also not clear, and those cases also we can explore thoroughly an application, and then new testers enter into the team. And this is the main thing. So whenever you join a new company or first time, they will give an application and they will provide some documents and ask you to familiar with that particular application. So you need to do certain kind of exploratory testing and try to find out some issues on that application and then learn it, investigate it, and then get familiar with that application. Okay, so this is a exploratory testing. Just like we need to explore our skills based upon our previous experience and all, but we don't have any documentation here. When do we need to perform this testing? Before build is ready. We don't have, before documentation is not ready, but build is ready. But still documentation is not yet ready and documentation not completed. And those cases and those situations we can go and do exploratory testing. Okay, so that's all for this video. So please subscribe my channel and get updates. Thanks for watching this video.